Holy moly.
Hold on, let's see this. Oh, you watch it.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
What happened? He's pulling the screwdriver out of the... Oh my god!
That's fucking terrible.
Oh! I guess I'm gonna enjoy that. Look, I think it's the same guy. Look, it is, because look at the lines on him.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh, a jar. It's the same guy?
Yeah.
No, the other guy wasn't circumcised, unless he's just peeing at the back.
Look at this guy, he has the scars here. The other guy had them too on his legs.
Oh, that is so, like, beyond sick. I'm, like, trying to eat here. You're just eating a steak looking at that.
Eating meat, looking at me.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's blood! Look at it's gushing blood! Ew! Why the fuck does he do that shit? Look at all the blood.
That is, like, so beyond. That was worse than the,
fucking jar.
One guy, one cup. That was worse than that.
That's the same guy. Oh, shit, that was gross.
Oh, look at the guy who did it. Actually talks to other people in the forum.
No.
Yeah, he says
Yeah.
the dude in these videos posts at the forum. You can go talk to him. Let's go talk. Not.
Let's see what this is all about.
We're just gonna go somewhere else.